You are welcome to the shrine of Nana Dagara. Nana Dagara is a traditional priest from the northern region of Ghana, from a village called Kanshao. Nana Dagara was 8 years old when his grandfather took him to the Togoland. Nana Dagara was the favorite grandson of Chief Dagara Tema I. His grandfather died in the year 1966 in Togoland, and he inherited the powers and decided to come back to his own land, Kanshao. Nana Dagara takes care of mental problems, child barrenness, witches and wizards disturbance, money rituals, and any financial problems. You can contact Nana Dagara on 020-000-14 or 024-83-20-662. You can locate Nana Dagara in the northern part of Ghana, Tamale, to be precisely Kanshao. Come quick and Nana Dagara will solve all your financial and wizards problems.
Katapamano power zigiziga do apartment 20 na yi kwantambra tam Africa number 1 yelo. Otoro to disapaya de ko mere kamaglo no katapam informatica inzima. Informatica. My name is Nana Dagara 1. And it will not be a surprise to you as you see me on telly, because I never had mind to come out on television. A lot of Ghanaian people, they know me already, but because of the bad people who are out there to take people money, lie to them, saying that they wanted to do double money, charm money to them, that is why I'm out to let the whole world knows that soldier pass soldier, ekrumwa bisu che osu, man pass man, and powers pass powers. I did not buy my powers, and I did not go for somebody to give it to me. I inherited it from my late grandpeople, and I want to put a challenge to you that if you think I said powers pass powers, and you know that you have powers, you can throw a challenge to me. I'm Nana Dagara 1. The whole world, if you see this name, Nana Dagara, is me. If you are in Ghana, USA, Sierra Leone, South Africa, Abidjan, Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina, wherever in the whole world, and you think that Nana Dagara, I don't have powers, come and you show powers to powers, and you see who is who, and you see that who is having powers than other, and you know, look the whole world, you see what our grandparents did for a very long time, and people come to use it to take people money, and then people they never believe that we inherit the things have the real magic, have the real powers. And I want to prove to you people that we inherit the things, we have the real powers, not the fake powers that we are doing. Especially Tamale, the whole in northern region. If you are a magician, and as you can see me, Nana Dagara 1, and he never come and sit with me, sit for help. But I don't want to talk much. As you can see, I'm Nana Dagara 1 in the whole world. Go to Accra, Kumasi, Takoradi, Bolga, Wa, Cherkoni, wherever in the whole world, and ask of Nana Dagara. They will tell you whom I am. I'm Nana Dagara 1. No one again in any place in the whole world except me, Nana Dagara. Viewers, as you can see, this is Akarakatu, the great one. It's working a lot of things. The reason why I said it's working a lot of things, there is something inside on it. And it is like, you know, sometimes witches do a lot of things and people think that it's from God. Not knowing that they are doing it for you not to survive in your life. But Akarakatu, the great one, can make you survive from it. Like an example, madness. People can give it to you, and you think that is from God, not knowing that it's from humans. And I want you to know, not even the madness. Daily, we call it in our language, local language, daily. They can put something in your stomach, and then your stomach will come big like this. At the end of some few months, they will bury you. It's from people, not from God. And you can see, some people, they married more than 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years, they haven't given birth. People may be thinking it's from the man or the woman, not knowing that it's from human beings. They did all that to make you not to give birth. Akalakachi, the great one, will help you, will heal you to give birth and be happy with your marriage. Come to Akalakachi. I'm not going to charge you. It's only herbs that Akalakachi will give to you to go and bath for only 1 week, and you will be survived. Your enemies, the witches and wizards, can never do anything for you. You will only come and buy a fowl, then I will use it to consult my Akalakachi, the great one, those that my grandparents gave to me and left. That is what I'm going to give to them, the fowl, and consult them, and they will show me the herbs or how your sickness goes through, the herbs that I will use to heal your sickness. This is Akalakachi, the great one. I'm not charging because my grandparents did not do that before. Or look on the screen. My numbers is on the screen. Call me Nana Dagara 1 and come to me or bring him to me. I will heal him to survive his life. Nana Ganzula. As you can see, Nana Ganzula, he's doing a lot of programs. As you can see, if your family member is outside, he doesn't want to give you any kobo or any pin. He doesn't want to help you. Come to me, Nana Dagara. Call me. Look on the screen. You see my number. Call me. Nana Ganzula will help you to let the one who is outside, your member, your family, your father, your mother, your sister, your brother, to give you whatever you want. And also, if somebody stolen your money, or your money is with someone, or you work for somebody and that person doesn't want to pay you, bring the person name to me, Nana Dagara. I will give you 24 hours to get your money back. Nana Ganzula will help you to get the money. Call me on the screen and come to me, Nana Dagara 1. Nana Ganzula will help you to get back your thing. Or if somebody wanted to take your land because he's having money and you are poor, or cocoa farm, bring that person name to me. Nana Ganzula will help you to recover your thing. And I'm not charging you. It's only that when you come, you buy a snap for me to consult Nana Ganzula to just let you buy a little thing for him to help you to recover all the things that the person wanted to take from you. This is Katapa, as you can see, the head of Antelope. You know, businessmen, politicians, government workers, footballers, farmers. You know, by all means, you have enemies because people will not like you at where you are. As you know, God help those who help themselves. If you keep on sleeping, my brother, my sister, you will lose your position. If you want to be ahead of where you are, like the way Antelope have powers, come to me, Nana Dagara. Nothing get easy. Because if you are on a big position, you are a manager, those that you see that are on big position, in that you wanted to be ahead, your enemies will push you back. They will give you a sickness not to come in the work again. Come to me, Nana Dagara. I will protect you from the Antelope head. And you see how it is. This is Nana Dandawa. This is Nana Dandawa, the son of Manis. This is what we call money rituals. People out there saying that they wanted to do money rituals to people. Well, sometimes when I just look at them, I laugh at them because they just come out to take your money free without doing anything for you. They will just take your money and let you sit there. They will chop the money free and tell you that you should go back. Take this pot and go, because they know that our great assistant, they use this pot to do money rituals. That is why they also went to the market and buy the pot and come and say they wanted to do money rituals for you. Where do you get the powers and you are saying that you wanted to do money rituals to people? Because you know our grandparents use pot to do money rituals. That is why you also wanted to take people money, take their pot, buy a pot for them and say you wanted to give them money rituals. Where do you get the powers? If you know you have powers like Nana Dagara one, the way I'm doing my things, come to me and tell me that you have powers. People know whom I am. I do the work to people. When I do it to people and then they want to do everything for me, they can do. I don't charge people as I'm doing my work. As you can see, me and Dagara, I have a lot of cars. What do you have? What background do you have? Who is your grandfather? Whoever inheritance this what I'm doing to, and you are coming out saying that because people use it to take people money. That is why you also went and bought the pots and come and say you are a magician. As you can see, I have to tell you the money rituals. You know, we have physical money, that is instant money, and we have money rituals. But this my grandparents, what he left to me, this pot is doing all that things. If you want money rituals, come to me, Nana Dagara. Call me on the screen. Come to me. I will let you consult the gods, or call me and tell me your name. I will consult the gods with your name, and then I will show you what to bring for me to do the money rituals for you. Because I don't use human blood. I only need fowl, cow, goat, sheep, and other animals like dog, cats, and others. But no human sacrifice on my way, because my grandparents, they are out to help people, not to let lives. So as you can see, money rituals and instant money. Money rituals, I can do it to a small pot for you to go and put it in your cupboard, or you buy a bag and put it inside. But it's a secret thing. Before you come to me, then I will tell you. You get a huge taste and you will never cry in your life. If it is in your room and you start with any business, like you use 100 Ghana cedis to start business, at the end of 4 or 5 months, you will be hitting around 1 billion to 2 billion, and people will think because of what you are doing, that is what you are getting money from it. That is what the rituals is. If you want the instant money, just pick my number on the screen. Call me Nana Dagara and tell me your name. I will consult the gods with your name, because some people have bad luck. When you are to do the instant money for them, their enemies should not leave them to get what you want. I will consult the gods and see if you have bad luck or not. If you have the bad luck, I will deal with the bad luck before, and when we succeeded, then you can now come, or I can now do the instant money for you. And I want you to know that the instant money, some people are taking people money just because they hear that they do instant money. When you come, they will just do it and say you should go back and come. I don't do that. The day that you arrive, that is the same day you take your money and go. Whether in the night or day, I will do the work for you. That is why I'm out, to let you know that me, Nana Dagara, one, I'm here to survive you. You are working me. Take my number on the screen. Call me Nana Dagara 1. Come to me. I will let you get what you want. You are dreaming. You are hearing that people go to other places for instant money. They take their money. They don't get what they want. You can hear some people are in the house. They can't come out again because they go and borrow people money and go to the fake madams. Those that saying that they can do money rituals. They take your money. You are in the room. You can't come out again. Don't forget that they say if you are not a dead person, never lose hope. Try to wake up. Call me Nana Dagara. I'll help you to survive your life. Don't say you are N. You are not N because you are not a dead person. Call me Nana Dagara. I'll help you to survive in your life. Viewers, let's go for commercial break and come back.
You are welcome to the shrine of Nana Dagara. Nana Dagara is a traditional priest from the northern region of Ghana, from a village called Kanshao. Nana Dagara was 8 years old when his grandfather took him to the Togoland. Nana Dagara was the favorite grandson of Chief Dagara Tema I. His grandfather died in the year 1966 in Togoland, and he inherited the powers and decided to come back to his own land, Kanshao. Nana Dagara takes care of mental problems, child barrenness, witches and wizards disturbance, money rituals, and any financial problems. You can contact Nana Dagara on 020-000-14 or 024-83-20-662. You can locate Nana Dagara in the northern part of Ghana, Tamale, to be precisely Kanshao. Come quick and Nana Dagara will solve all your financial and wizards problems.
As I told you about the instant money and then the money rituals, me, Nana Dagara, one, I wanted to show you something small. But it's not that I wanted to do something to people, because people are here doing something and then when you look at it, you laugh at them. Viewers, watch this pot. As you can see, there is nothing inside the pot. There is nothing. You can see, there is nothing. Nothing inside. And I want you to see, when I'm going to do this, I will remember what my grandparents did before they do money on the pot. Mpawa, mpatane, nyababu, nyabgarba. Indazanti ngote manere timi ni mankumia patima muno pabi so la sama biamle alezini tikurumi tikaya hu bazanda kaw. Alezini. So ndege pina nyanga ndege pina nudirgun ndege pina nuza. Mbor mene kana nti goma be shadenya lari kam bornen nan ka dunia zaha ka banya ka ban lore nan bo dabjan me ka che bang marjirma. Iso Cambodia, Mpawa, Nyababu, Nyabgarba, Mpatane. Nenem dazanti matmaniriti minimum kumbia, Jodabson wakam kumbia ne sam nanti a dege pina nuzan, dege pinatoni. Somena, ebelatis rombiala gaz on your man, your rabban for Dumania Sriana. Alesini, Somena, Katapa, Somena, Kazula, Somena, Karakachu, Somena. Somena, listen. Somena, Katapa. Somena, Gazula. Somena, Okarakachu. Ibiratizo, de la gazo. You are to do my, you are above to my Yasriana in a campo on my Yaba. Somena. As I told you earlier on, I wanted to do something small for you to know that there is a real and there is a fake. I want you to see the real charming of money, because some people, you never see a real action of charming money. I just want you to see the real action of charming money. This is a lift. As you can see, it's a lift. It's a lift. There is nothing on it. It's a lift. I want you to see it. It's a lift. It's a lift. Yaba. Yaba. Samena. See? C'est leaves that I'm plucking. C'est leaves. C'est leaves. As you see, it's a leaves. There is nothing. I'm not going to do any editing. It's a real, it's a lift. Look at it. The pot, the lift is inside the pot. I wanted to command money from the lifts inside the pot. Katapa? No power, ziggy zig. Ajwa Fatima Juanti, Nada, Yi, Quatamprancham, Africa #1, yellow. Otolotoji, Sapaya dele Kumerica, Maglonio Katapa, Informatica, Yaba, Somena. Ebela tizom de la gazon, you rest to man, you rabba to my yas, and I dig it piano, and dig it pinatu, and dig it pinanga. Ebela Yapolo, Yaibe, Somena. Alessini. To commit to Kaya Bazanda Kakurgonin. What is coming inside? Is it not money? Is it not money? Look, is it not money? Katapa? No power. Ziggy, Ajwa. The lift is turning money. Tolotoji, Sapaya de Lukumerica, Maglonio Katapa, Informatica. Abilities from the Lagazo, you run to the man, you rabba to my yasana. It's a leaves that is turning money. It's a leaves. It's a lift. It's a lift that is turning money. It's a lift. It's a lift. As you can see, the leaves is turning money. But if I want, I can continue doing it because I just want to show a little thing to you that a leaves can turn to a money. It's not something that I'm bluffing or something that way. If you know that you need money rituals, instant money, just call me on the screen. Come to me. I will do the real thing for you. Don't go to the fake malams. Don't go to the 419 malams. Those that taking people money, making them stranded. Come to me, Nana Dagara 1. The whole world, I'm Nana Dagara 1. Call me and come to me. I will let you get richness in your life.
You are welcome to the shrine of Nana Dagara. Nana Dagara is a traditional priest from the northern region of Ghana, from a village called Kanshao. Nana Dagara was 8 years old when his grandfather took him to the Togoland. Nana Dagara was the favorite grandson of Chief Dagara Tema I. His grandfather died in the year 1966 in Togoland, and he inherited the powers and decided to come back to his own land, Kanshao. Nana Dagara takes care of mental problems, child barrenness, witches and wizards disturbance, money rituals, and any financial problems. You can contact Nana Dagara on 020-000-14 or 024-83-20-662. You can locate Nana Dagara in the northern part of Ghana, Tamale, to be precisely Kanshao. Come quick and Nana Dagara will solve all your financial and wizards problems.